In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gemini AI photo create problem. So if you're trying to create a trending AI photos, you have uploaded your photos and you have given the text prompt, but whenever you're trying to generate the picture, it's showing different errors, or it says you can't create, or it's taking too much time. Whatever the problem is, I'll go ahead and show you how you can fix them all at once. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not fix Gemini AI photo create problem. The very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, then go ahead and open up the App Store, and you just need to go to the search bar and you just need to search for Google Gemini, and you just need to go ahead and tap on the application. And once you're here inside the application, if you found any pending update, go ahead and tap on this update button in order to update the application to the latest version, and then simply go ahead and get back from here. Now find out the Gemini application. You'll get to see this is the Gemini application. You just need to press and hold this one and then tap on app info. Now once you're here inside the app info, you just need to go and tap on clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache and then OK, and the cache will be cleared and you can check out your issue. If you still have the problem, you just need to go to the same place, come right over here and then tap on clear data and then tap clear all data this time. And once you're done, you just need to force close the application from the background. Now simply go and open up the Gemini application and try creating the picture again. And most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.